Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about symptoms of bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis is a vaginal infection that can move up from the genital part of a woman to her reproductive organs that can be extremely harmful for the infected person. Description of the infection. Bacterial vaginosis, known as bacterial infection in vagina, is one of the most dreadful types of infection among women. Vagina of a woman comprises of both good and bad bacteria, and this infection results due to the abnormal multiplication of the bad bacteria resulting into BV. The symptoms of bacterial vaginosis are quite known for its awfulness and similarity with yet another dire vaginal issue known as vaginal yeast infection that is caused by a particular form of fungi called candidiasis. Key symptoms of bacterial vaginosis. In many cases, it has been found that women do not find any symptoms of BV in mild scenarios. Study tells that about 85% of women having the infection do not witness any symptoms. However, following are the key symptoms that appear to women having an obvious bacterial infection. Fish-like odor from the genital part. Increased odor after a sexual contact. Inflammation during urination. Changed color of vaginal discharge, varying from an off-white to a grayish liquid. The vaginal discharge is relatively thin. Swollen vagina. Symptoms for pregnant women. One of the basic symptoms of bacterial vaginosis found in pregnant women is the pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, that takes place when this infection moves up into the reproductive organs, namely ovary, uterus or fallopian tubes. Therefore, it can create some issues including pelvic pain, preterm delivery of the baby, giving birth to an underweight child, pregnancy complications leading to abortion, ectopic pregnancy that further leads to the damage of fallopian tubes, infertility problem. These are very highly advanced symptoms of bacterial infection that are possible if not treated within a certain time. Misconceived symptoms of bacterial vaginosis. The itchiness, smell and inflammation are most commonly attributed to be symptoms of bacterial vaginosis. However, it is quite certain that you may be having a similar infection called vaginal yeast infection. It has always been hard to differentiate the symptoms of BV and that of yeast infection, but it is for sure that itching is not what you find under the bacterial infection. Reasons accountable for bacterial vaginosis. It is still quite uncertain that why do symptoms of bacterial vaginosis appear among women that have reached their reproductive maturity age, because it has also been found among women that never had a sexual relationship in their life. However, the probability of running into such an unpleasant infection can become high under the following scenarios. Douching. Having a new sexual mate. Recurrence of bacterial vaginosis due to sexual relationship with your mate that became a carrier of the bacteria because of a previous sexual interaction during the infection days. Please, after you have finished watching the video, we advise you to look at the links in the description. There is something very important and useful waiting for you. Causes of bacterial vaginosis. There are certain internal factors of the body that may lead you to the symptoms of bacterial vaginosis, which are as shown below. Abnormal hormonal changes in the body due to conception. Fluctuating levels of the natural fluid of vagina called flora. Other sexually transmitted diseases, STD, allowing this infection to grow. Other vaginal infections causing the abnormal growth of bad bacteria and vagina. It is important to consult your doctor as soon as any of the above mentioned symptoms are observed by you. In the end, please activate the bell button, subscribe to the channel, to receive from us all that is new. For more information about symptoms of bacterial vaginosis, please visit my own site. You will find the website link in the description. Thank you.